Aviary Bagels. A totally blind will try to challenge the world of YouTube. Disability is not a burden, but a challenge. It's not an obstacle, but encouragement and motivation. It's not about differences, it's about inclusion. Please join me face my challenges. Help me inspire the people to be positive. Let me be your light, and you be my light.
Yan, mega love shoutout and welcome back to my videos. And ito, here's a big challenge. How a totally blind will eat, this is not an ordinary tamago, this is balot. A Filipino food. We call this balot. B-A-L-O-T, balot.
Wow!
So, B-L-U-T ba? B-L-O-T. Oh, anyway, this is a Filipino food. Teka lang, tignan natin yung malaki at maliit. Parang mahirap balatan. Ito mas parang madaling balatan. So, balatan muna natin siya. How a totally blind will eat this. Ang init. Basagin natin yung itlog. So, basagin natin taas o baba. Whichever. Ay, may tubig nga. Natunog. Siguro ito yung may ano. 1, 2, 3, go. Yes. Dapat maliit lang yung butas. Tapos, yan, may sabaw nga. May sabaw po yung balot. Balot is chicken egg ba? Tapos, pag nabutas mo na siya, yan. Lagyan ko daw siya ng asin. Tapos, lalagyan ko daw ng suka. Pero parang hindi ko alam paano lalagyan suka. Kaya, testingin mo natin yung sabaw. Hindi ko mainom. Parang maliit masyado yung butas. Wait lang. Tapos, para po siyang chicken soup ang lasa. It's like a chicken soup. Ang taste niya. So, lagyan natin ng suka. Masyado malaki yung bote natin ng suka. I don't know how to put the suka here. Let's try with my finger if I can make it. Okay. Parang may lumabas. Hindi ko sure. Isa pa. Yan. Okay, I made it. Ay, let's try again. Then, ay, nakalimutan natin yung salt. Lagyan natin ulit ng salt. Kada kain daw, lalagyan daw ng salt. And then mo ilagay sa bibig mo yung soup.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you for all the support and love. Sharing our videos, likes and subscriptions are highly appreciated. We are glad to receive feedbacks and comments too. See you all again in our next video.